Hey guys, so I got the K&N TYPHOON series intake and it's finally installed on my car. So I wanted to make a few clips of just kind of the stock intake versus the K&N intake. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have a full unboxing and review video up of the K&N TYPHOON series intake for my SI. And then I'm also gonna have an install video where it's gonna be step by step how I installed it. And K&N's instructions were dead on. You follow them to a T and everything comes out perfectly. I did things in a little bit different of an order just because I thought it would be easier, and I think it was. So first you're gonna see a few clips of the stock intake and just how it sounds when you're doing a few first gear, second gear, third gear pulls on the street. And then after that, you're gonna see a few clips of the card with the K&N intake. And the K&N intake sounds way better. It makes all the whoosh and psh noises that you could ever dream of. And I've had it for a few days now and I absolutely love it. So let's get into it.